Hey guys, what is up? It's Joey from Joey Games, and we are here with some Battlefield. With who are we with, guys? You guys gotta say hi.
Hi, I'm Connor.
Hi.
Now, what's really miraculous is that Casey's. If you have to go back to my channel and see our Battlefield 3 video, and Casey's voice is so low, it's really funny.
What?
Remember the first time I found out how to record and we were playing Battlefield 3? Your voice is so low there, and I'm like, hey guys, it's Joey, and you're like, he's like, yeah, I'm Casey, how's it going? Where are you guys?
I'm not spawned in.
I just disabled a vehicle.
Really?
Oh, I got him. I just got in and I'm about to get. Oh my god. You almost got me. I got him.
Get out quickly!
Don't worry.
Just get out.
Get out.
Get out. Get out. What the hell?
Enemy Harib.
Hoeb. Let's go, puss. Oh,
I got him.
let's go.
There's two skilled player.
Help me,
Oh,
help me.
how are you gonna die? There's like 30. Oh my.
Oh, you're trash.
That's nice.
He's so. Oh, I'm dead. Good job getting me at 20, bro.
He's coming. He's circling back.
I got an RPG in the world, and I love when it comes. What?
Gay!
Take the rib.
I killed both.
I guess you can call that rib the
Wow,
tight.
it's stuck too.
I guess you. You stuck.
I don't know. I might be.
I guess you can call that rib the Titanic.
I'm going. I can't get up.
I'm
Why
dead.
isn't it let me up?
Good job, Connor.
Oh, Connor, you're one of the worst Battlefield players I have ever seen. Why won't it let me up? Why won't it let me up?
There's poopies.
And you're dead.
There's poopy.
Oh my god. Hey, one, bro, you should have a tournament. Poopies! There's
Then I
poopies! Shut up! My
Sorry.
god, you're retarded. There's
I
poopies.
am retarded, okay?
There's poopies. There's
I
poopies.
am, okay?
Connor, you are the worst Battlefield player. We're getting hit. We're getting hit. Like no crap, dude.
Hey, pick me up, homie. Pick me up.
Oh yeah.
I need
I
assistance.
forgot you didn't have balls, so you had to leave.
Oh. Oh, Connor, you're the worst Battlefield player I've ever seen. I'm this jet ski. Deuces.
Come pick me up, Jit.
Oh. No, since you call me a jit, I'm not gonna come pick you up.
I love you.
Yeah, no, not anymore. He's in pieces.
Oh my god, I'm missing by.
Oh, good push is going down.
Land on it.
Coming in for a landing, Roger. Holy Jesus. Oh, we're dying.
Oh god.
Oh, Jesus.
Get out of here.
Oh, Jesus. It's like, bro, I totally want to surf these waves in my life, bro. Hashtag 420 smoking.
Oh god, I'm
Head
getting
on,
killed.
head
We're going in.
I'm coming.
on. I got one,
I'm
actually.
coming.
It was a
coming
worst.
here.
I got one. Feels like I'm
Do
flying.
do do. Do 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 do.
Oh. Oh, I need cheap.
God, I don't know what kind of music you listen to, bro. Oh! Did you die?
Yes. Did you see me?
Yeah, I got you.
Here we go. No, an LAV's in my
That's the
way.
only side I can't see. That's the only thing I